How's it going, guys? So today in this video I'm gonna show you how we're gonna bleed this BMW coolant system the proper way, because apparently there is an actual step that you need to take. Because I was trying to turn on the coolant pump and it's not working. I don't know if it's because of my tool or whatnot, and I guess I should have started with, this is a BMW 335i, and this specific BMW comes with an electric pump. It doesn't come with a mechanical pump that actually attaches to the belt, of your car. So, it works, if it's a mechanical pump that attaches to your belt, then that pump is gonna work only if your car is running. In this case here, we don't need to run the car because this pump here is an electrical pump. So like I said, there is apparently a couple steps that you need to take, and then the electrical pump is gonna turn on its own, and it will do a cycle where it will cycle the coolant through the entire car, and then that way it will bleed out the system. So I haven't done that, and if you guys haven't seen the beginning of of the rebuilding of this BMW, that is right now it's stage 2 tuned. It's not tuned, it's the stage 2 turbo. I mean, I've got a stage 2 turbo, so yeah, we still need to tune it. So you guys need to watch for those videos. But at the same time, if you guys haven't seen the previous ones, you guys can check them out. They're in the description of this video or on the site, or check out my channel. And if you guys like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to smash the like button, because yeah, most of the time I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm still doing it and I'm figuring it out. So yeah, let's hope that on the end of the day, when we rebuild this car, we will make some profit, because my idea is to turn this rebuild to a profitable hobby, I guess you can call it. I don't even know how what to call this, but yeah, I just like working the cars. I like fixing stuff. Let's put it, I like fixing stuff. I like work. I like to do stuff with my hands. So let's see if we can actually bleed this system the way how it's supposed to do it. So let's do it. Okay guys, so first thing is to put some coolant into the expansion tank. So put some coolant. Okay guys, so we've got coolant into my big burping funnel, that's how I call it. So now we need to get into the car and follow a couple steps so we can trigger the pump. So let's see, haven't been here for a long time, so we need to get the key in. Woo. Okay, ignition. Next step, we have the ignition on. We need to turn on the low beam, so on the headlights. So we need to get, okay, the pump got turned on for a little bit and already stuck whatever we have out there. So low beamer on. So next thing we need to do, this thing is gonna stop tripping. Next thing we need to get the heat, so we need to get this to max 84, this side to max 84. We need to run an auto and on the lowest speed of the fan. Then we need to depress the acceleration pedal for 10 seconds. So let's see if it's gonna work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and right now it's running. Okay, it's running. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Wow, that's it. Guess not, there's more. I don't know how the pump got it sucked in and now came back out. I don't know for how long it's gonna do this. Like I said, I never done that before, so I guess maybe I can leave it like that. My cap down here is leaking a little bit, so I don't want to get any wet spots on the floor and then me tripping that I have a leak somewhere, especially on this side where the turbo is, because yeah, that would not be fun. So I don't know if this is it. It says bleeding of the coolant system is not activated. Continue immediately after 5. What is that, 5 o'clock? Man, this is, I can hear the pump running and you guys can see it's sucking it down. I don't know if I need to add more or what. I mean, the way how, so originally I had water in it, you know, just so I can test the car, run it, you know, back and forward and all of that, just to make sure there is no leak in the system. So that's what I did originally. So now I'm swapping it to a coolant, and the way how I did it, actually I dropped my my front bumper, which I guess I can show you guys because it's pretty easy. So bada bing bada boom, when this comes out just like that, and then I am coming right here on this corner, and the big hose, the return hose, is right there. So I unplugged it, so everything just dumped the water down. So I was basically keep putting water in and then dumping it down. It's basically this hose right here that attaches to the pump, so the pump will run for a little bit and then will stop. That's how I did my bleeding procedure when I was, you know, running water into the system. And I'm bleeding, I mean like I put water in, I ran it, circulate through the system, and then I dump the water out. So if there is any gunk or anything dirty, it will come out, you know. So please, that's was my idea. So that's how I did it. So, but now here comes the tricky part. So I've got this coolant that is a 50-50, and I believe the total capacity of this car is 7 or 9 quarts. So that means I should be able to put this 1 gallon bottle as well into here, but obviously I can't because it already seems to be full. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna let the system run for a little bit, and then I'll come back to you guys and let you know what really happened and for how long it happened. So yeah. Okay guys, so after waiting, I don't know, approximately like 10 minutes or so, the pump finally stopped. It was going, you know, back and forward, like not really back and forward, I'm saying like it was going either rapidly or it was going slow. So it was pushing bubbles. So now, as you can see, there is like a little bit of bubbles on the top of it. So I think we're there. Should be pretty good. I mean, like I said, the pump already stopped. So the thing is, just quick tip, make sure you guys, when you do that, it's on a trickle charger, or at least your car is being charged somehow, because mine wasn't, and I couldn't start it after that. So finally I got my trickle charger and it's charging the battery and everything. So yeah, right there, even though you guys can see it says bad battery or whatever, that's not true. It's just my trickle charger is freaking out because I'm using power, and it's thinking that there is like a randomly, you know, using power. So yeah, so let's get cold start on a BMW 335i. I mean, let's hope we can get a cold start. Okay, we got some power. that's good. Mission. Yeah, buddy. There's a lot of smoke. So, let's see. Pump is running. Sim is all good. So, that's about it, guys. Should be all good. So, I'm gonna screw the cap, basically. Boom. Gonna let it, warm up, and then call it a day. There you go, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and don't forget, if you guys like videos like this, and if you guys want to see what's gonna happen with this car, and look at it, it's a pretty nice car. Let me show you that. Boom. Look at this bad boy. So, yeah. Once again, if you guys want to see what we're gonna do with this car, if you wanna make a profit or not make a profit, it's gonna be a flip or it's gonna be a flop. Let's see if I'm gonna be able to make it to look like this, or maybe it's gonna look like this. I don't know. So, yeah, you guys need to subscribe to my channel and wait and see. Hopefully it will turn out pretty good. I hope so. Cross my fingers. So thanks so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.